Jeff and Junie, ang inyong kasal ay magsisilbing pinakadakilang souvenir. Pinakamagandang paalaala ng Diyos sa inyong dalawa sa aming sumasaksi ngayon at sa buong simbahan.
Don't be start and take what you
It's fun to be with Jeff. Lagi siyang nakasmile.
the sliver moon.
From the moment our path crossed, I knew my life was about to change in the most beautiful way.
Ang araw na ito ay paalaala na sa kaunting sandali lamang mula ngayon ay pag-iisahin ng Diyos bilang mag-asawa habang buhay.
And oh my God, you're beautiful. On the edge of blue, wish I stayed. I wish I stayed.
Si Jeff is very responsible, especially sa mga bata.
I love you. Thank you for being patient. I love you.
Loving dad, loving husband.
Why you gotta go? Just say now. When I packed it all up and took the way.
Ma'am, Dad, maraming pong salamat sa paggabay niyo sa amin, lalo na't kami 8. Nandito kayo sa haba at hirap ng buhay. Pinagtaguyod niyo po kami. Maraming salamat at lagi kayong nandyan.
I miss somehow, and I didn't have to, and I didn't have to. I know I have to.
She always inspired me on what she do, and she always pushing me to do my best as well as a person and as an individual. Kaya masaya kaming nagsama ng more than 15 years and nakabuo kami ng masayang pamilya sa pangalan ni Theodore and ni Cassandra.
Jeff, do you take Julie here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
I do.
Lahat ng babae gusto mapakasal sa church. You made it. Thank you for everything. And salamat kasi you're a good dad and you're a good husband to me.
I'm so proud and so happy na umabot tayo ng more than 15 years I think now. Salamat, naging inspiration ka ng buhay ko. Lagi ka na dyan for being patient onto me. Parang nanay talaga, napaka-patient, na kalmado. And opposite of me, maybe I'll be a bit strict with my kids. But she always the calm person. sa family namin. This is a promise to her mom and dad na I will bring her to the church. Apparently, yung dad niya nagpasaway last year. But we still pursue this one because this is a promise.
Julie, do you take Jeff here present for your lawful husband, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
I do.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for looking after us. Mahal kita.